Today we're going to look and do some sandwich fun. It's Peter Rabbit lunches. I'll show you what we need to make the Peter Rabbit lunches. Okay. So first of all we need some food colouring, which is made up of red and yellow food colouring. You can make it any colour of orange, it doesn't need to be that colour, it can be paler or darker. A packet of Milky Bar Sweeties to melt, 2 strawberries for the carrots, a rabbit shape to cut out your sandwich, a slice of ham, 2 slices of bread, some tomatoes for the side, some carrots for whiskers, and some cut out 2 pieces of ham for the ears, 1 for the nose, and 2 raisins for the eyes. Now we will add in the orange food colouring, and what we're doing this for is so that we get a nice orange colour that we can dip the strawberries in, and then they look like carrots. Trying to dip the strawberry in the chocolate. What you do with this is you put them on a plate and you put them in the fridge. We're going to cut out the rabbit shape. When you've got your rabbit shaped sandwich, you can start to decorate it a bit with the food cuttings. 2 eyes and a wee pink bunny nose and some carrot stick. So here's the finished article. We've got a Peter Rabbit sandwich and he's sitting on some nice grass, which is lettuce, which is really healthy, and you've got your carrots there and some tomatoes. So it's a nice, healthy, fun lunch. Enjoy!